Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. These are top 10 facts about turtles. Number 10. In North America, there are three main types of turtles. Sea turtles, which live in both salt and fresh water. Tortoises, which only live on land. And terrapins, which spend most of their time in water, but can also survive on land. Outside of North America, there are many more species of freshwater turtles than in North America, with over 300 different species around the world. Number 9. Turtle shells come in all shapes and sizes, from the rounded dome of the eastern box turtle to the elongated oval of the snake-necked turtle. Some are smooth while others are bumpy or even spiky. The size of a turtle shell is determined by its age and sex. In general, females tend to have larger shells than males. No, 8 turtles have been around for a long time. The first turtles appeared on Earth around 220 million years ago, making them older than dinosaurs. There are over 360 species of turtles living today, ranging in size from the tiny speckled padlapur, which is smaller than a thumbnail, to the giant Galapagos tortoise, which can weigh up to 90 kilograms. No, 7. Turtles are cold-blooded creatures, which means they rely on the sun to warm them up before they can move around. This is why you often see turtles basking in the sun. They're also ectothermic, meaning that they cannot regulate their own body temperature internally and must instead rely on thermal energy from the environment to power their metabolism. No, 6. Turtles are slow-moving animals. This is partly because they are ectothermic, which means that they need to conserve their energy. It is also partly because their shells make them top-heavy and cumbersome. However, despite being slow on land, turtles can be surprisingly fast in water. The green sea turtle is the fastest swimming turtle. Some individuals able to swim at speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. No, 5. Turtles are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. What a turtle eats depends on its species and where it lives. Some turtles are primarily herbivores, while others are carnivores. Still, others are omnivores, eating both plants and animals. Sea turtles typically eat jellyfish, sponges, mollusks, and crustaceans. Some larger turtles, such as the alligator snapping turtle, are capable of eating fish, snakes, birds, and even other turtles. Although generally not aggressive, many large turtles have strong jaws and sharp beaks that they use to tear their food into pieces. No. 4. Turtles typically lay their eggs in sandy areas near water. This is so that the eggs can absorb heat from the sun and develop properly. Warmer temperatures produce more females, while cooler temperatures produce more males. After laying their eggs, female turtles will often bury them and then return to the water. They do not usually guard their nests and rarely, if ever, return to lay eggs in the same location twice. Once the eggs are laid, the parents have no further involvement with them. No, 3 baby turtles hatch after about 2 months. When they are ready to hatch, the sex of each baby turtle is determined by the temperature of the sand in which the eggs are buried. Warmer temperatures produce more females, while cooler temperatures produce more males. Each year, hundreds of thousands of baby turtles hatch and immediately make their way toward the nearest body of water. Along the way, they must avoid predators such as crabs, birds, and other turtles. Only about 1 in 1,000 baby turtles will survive to adulthood. No, 2. A turtle's shell is attached to its ribs. It's not just a hard, protective covering. It's actually a part of the turtle's skeleton. The shell consists of 2 parts, the carapace, which is the top part, and the plastron, which is the bottom part. The turtle's spine and ribs are encased in the shell, providing protection from predators. The shell also helps the turtle to support its weight and to move around on land. The shell is made of bone and is covered with layers of keratin, the same substance that makes up our nails and hair. The shell is very strong and can protect the turtle from injury. No 1. Even though turtles are slow on land, they are surprisingly good swimmers. Most turtles are well adapted for life in the water, with streamlined shells and powerful paddling legs. They use their webbed feet to steer themselves through the water and their strong tails to propel themselves forward. Some turtles can swim up to 22 miles per hour. Although turtles are found in both salt and freshwater habitats, only sea turtles are fully marine. Their bodies are adapted for life in the ocean, with features such as flattened shells and flipper-like limbs. Sea turtles spend most of their time in the water and come ashore only to lay their eggs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.